I'm Nate.
I'm Vanessa,
And
together we're Team Taylor with Berkshire Hathaway. Today we're at a gorgeous brand new listing in Southland Park of Sacramento, 991 Briarcrest Way. Let's go check it out.
This home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, just over 2,000 square feet with a 2-car garage.
The kitchen cabinets have been painted. We have updated flooring. The bathrooms have all been remodeled. Fresh interior paint.
It's the first time it's ever been on market.
It's move-in ready. We have new siding, new roof, all new exterior paint. To see this home or any other homes in the area, or if you're thinking about selling, please reach out. We'd love to connect.